Once upon a time in a peaceful village, there lived a curious young girl named Maya. Maya was 12 years old and had an insatiable curiosity about the world around her. She was always asking questions and seeking answers that others couldn't provide. One day, Maya's grandmother gave her a small bag of mysterious seeds. "These are magic seeds, Maya," her grandmother explained. "Plant them with care and see what they bring." Excited, Maya rushed to her garden and carefully planted the seeds. She watered them every day and watched with wonder as tiny green shoots emerged from the soil. However, days turned into weeks, and nothing seemed to happen. Maya's excitement began to wane, and she contemplated giving up. One evening, just as Maya was about to abandon her little garden, a friendly old gardener named Mr. Bennet passed by. He noticed the disappointment on Maya's face and asked her about her garden. Maya shared her story with Mr. Bennet, who smiled kindly and said, "Patience is the key, Maya. Sometimes, the most beautiful things take time to grow." Encouraged by his words, Maya continued tending to her garden with renewed determination. As the weeks passed, the plants started growing faster than ever before. Soon, the garden was bursting with vibrant colors and dazzling flowers. Maya was amazed by the transformation and grateful for the wisdom Mr. Bennet had shared. One day, as Maya admired her flourishing garden, a thought struck her. She gathered some of the most beautiful flowers and visited Mr. Bennet's garden. She carefully planted the flowers there, grateful for his guidance. Mr. Bennet was touched by Maya's gesture and thanked her for bringing a touch of magic to his garden. The story of Maya's magical garden and the wisdom she gained spread throughout the village. People were inspired by her patience and determination. Maya learned that good things come to those who wait and work hard. She also understood the joy of sharing and how even a small act of kindness could bring happiness to others. From that day on, Maya's village blossomed with beautiful gardens, each filled with the flowers from her magical seeds. And Maya, now wiser and kinder, continued to explore the world with her curious spirit, always remembering the lesson of patience and the beauty that can bloom from it.